Keep trying. Keep trying, Jin.
And then?
Wait. But just keep going until it hurts. Do you feel the air?
Oh, there was a little burp.
Yeah.
Like a baby
Do you
burp.
feel it in your stomach?
Do it. I can't. Don't record me. Do it. Oh, I'm burping, but like inside.
Oh my god. You have to keep going. It's gonna feel like that, but you have to keep going.
This felt like a baby.
What is that?
Like a baby.
Wow. Who was that?
Both of us,
You.
it is me and you.
Wow.
It wasn't me. Did you hear? No. Did you hear?
No.
It was like a little.
You have to retain the air as much as
It looks like you're
possible.
choking. It's like you're choking.
Oh no, I can't.
You can do
I
it.
need to
You can
practice.
just keep trying. Oh, and if we choke up, perdón.
Cara de perdón.
¿Así?
Ay, qué bonito. Listen.
Parecemos original si me voy chueca.
Listen.
Sí.
Oh, me lo asustaste,
Uy,
caray.
¿qué?
Es que salen internos muy chiquitos.
¿Salen
Llevas
internos?
internos. El eructo que llevas internamente.
My friends are not gonna believe in this.
My sister is not gonna believe it. Then, you know, Carly, you know what I can do? Like, I can show my sister your video burping, and then I can, like, take her burping, saying funny things too, and then you can have a burp
see each
conversation.
other.
Yeah, you can have a burp. Yeah, wait. Like, I can, like, once I'm in Mexico, like, I can talk to you in Skype, and then the two of you, like, just talk burping conversation. That would be nice. Aris.
¿Cómo estás? Bueno. ¿Qué? ¿Cuántos años tú tienes?
That sounds creepy. I'm not kidding. It sounds creepy. It sounds like you could do like a creepy voice in a creepy movie or something like that. That'll be great. Oh my god, like cookies. Oh, Carly. Let's go. That was disgusting.
¡Qué sabroso!
Yummy.
Qué asco.
¡Guácala!
Someone's gonna want to kiss you, Carly. Please stop.
I'm gonna put stop to this thing.
That is awesome. I like